I saw a injured bird which just nearby, and I just saw a bottle nearby. I don't know who threw it, but this bird is seriously injured. Let's see, is he injured? This is how the bird looks like. Oh, he's moving. He was injured, so I guess he's making his recovery. Yup, he's making his own recovery. Let's see. Let's see. Making his own recovery. So it's going to be very hard to help him. Yeah, he's a stray bird. What I would suggest to do is leave it alone, or not sure what to do with it. It's the first time that I encountered this. I don't know what to do. So yeah. Let's see if he is injured or not. Let's touch him gently. Gently. Oh, he's touching the bag. I must not touch him in case what's wrong? His foot itchy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I guess he need to make his fur neat and tidy. I help him.
Wait, pause.
Okay, that's fur. I guess he can. He still cannot move. I guess he needs food, and I don't have any money or food now with me. So yeah, this can be his home for him. Let's see how I can do it. I'm going to make a home for him. I'm trying to make a nest. I mean, this is a nest. The nest I created for him. Although it's not good, but still he has a place to live. I'm trying to help that bird. So yeah, this may help the bird a lot. Now the condition is getting weak. He's crying because he's injured. He's crying very. Oh. Who is the suspect? Who will do it? I'm not sure. So maybe it wasn't hit by a bottle, or maybe it was just by the wind just now, the strong wind that made him fall here. I don't know. I just came. Let's see what we can do to help. Let's tomorrow check out. See whether it can fly or not. Tomorrow I will do a check. There will be no video tomorrow if there's nothing. There's nothing. There will be no videos tomorrow if this bird is gone. Okay, tomorrow I will check out. If the bird's still here, I will record again to see, like tomorrow there will be video of how I can help him after this. I will take my tools to help him tomorrow. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.